Checkpoint 13 and the question C. Again, we have one main methods and the println and println methods. So look at the first one. Here times equal to 3. We print before call the variable name is, which is 3. Okay, and there is a after. Let's leave one space, and then we call for this method. So we are sending string arguments. The second argument is integer. So string sent to here, and then integer sent to here. So there are two formal parameters. After we process it, we print the variable name, the variable time is, which is going to be same as 3. Okay. So let's look at the middle one. Okay. So welcome to Java, and then 3. Okay, 3 is greater than 0, of course. So here n equal to 3 is printed. Okay. Then welcome to Java is printed here. Okay. Then decrease by 1. So n become number 2. And then here 2 is printed. Okay, let's say 2. Then still welcome to Java is printed as it is. Decrease by 1. So n become number 1. Print number 1. And then again welcome to Java is printed. N become number 0. 0 is not greater than 0. So we are out here, coming back, and then print here. So basically it's going to print before the call. The variable time is 3, and then it's going to print n equal to 3, n equal to 2, n equal to 1, and then each of them will print welcome to Java. After that, after the call, variable is same as the first one, 3. Okay. So n equal to 3, welcome to Java, n equal to 2, welcome to Java, n equal to 1, and welcome to Java. Okay, let's see. So first time 3, okay, and then this is actually same 3. So when n equal to 3, welcome to Java, when equal to 2, welcome to Java, then n equal to 1, welcome to Java, then exit when n is equal to 0. So exit and print this. So here is the 1. Okay, that's all. Thank you.